walking to the pond after a big rainstorm. See how it looks. Wow! It's so much bigger, the pond. And look, the water comes all the way up here. Yeah, I came down here earlier. It was a little higher when it was raining more. Oh, the camera's getting wet. But look, it's the dock, how it will be like this. Ah, look how big the new pond is. Goes all the way out here now. Let's go. Oh. Wow. I gotta get off of this, and that's the biggest challenge. Getting off of this thing. Okay. There's Eric's dam. It's can't really see on camera, but it's flowing. Plenty of grate over here. So yeah, this river, it's so dark on camera, I hate that. It's flowing. This river, this one's going a little bit too. From where? Who knows? My dam is not flowing. Let's see. I can't believe how different this pond looks. I think this is the end of this storm, but tomorrow it's gonna still rain, so there's this one. I wonder why there's water going through. Where's that coming from? Oh, do we already have a leak? Who cares right now? So the water just slows down there. And that's it. See, look, he looks a lot different in the back than he used to. This big mountain of mud. Oh, I never made a video. We put a new dam in. Or the new extended the pipe of the dam. So extended the trail down here. And look, this is you can't see in the dark. It's a black pipe. It's actually the extension for a leaf blower. Yeah. Kept saying air blower or hair blower or whatever. That's still the same. Let's go this way. I'm gonna sink in because the mud is all mushy. Yeah, look, perfect fishing spot. Right off of here. Go with a little cast, catch some fish, whatever. And we lined it with shells that are refusing to stay up. Get up there. There we go. That's good. Then we put these pipes here. So think, so when the water is like really high and it's that pipe, the dam is siphoning, I think this water would be in level with this little drainage ditch, or even could be going over this trail. See, Eric dug his pond out a little, so it's a little bigger. Sorry that it's so dark on camera. In real life over here, I could see fine. Alright, so that's the new updates in our pond. Thank God, the water came to this pond. Thank God for the rain. Oh, this is the little bridge over here. Oh. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Look how huge this pond is. I got an angle. The dock on this side. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks.